Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
U.S. lawmakers asked about EPA, DOE monitoring of crypto mining emissions energy consumption. U.S. legislators suspect crypto mining as problematic for energy use and emissions, while Paraguay is ready to give the crypto industry, including miners, incentives. Democratic legislators from both houses of the United States Congress have sent a letter to the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) and Energy Department (DOE) to inform them of their findings on the energy consumption of cryptocurrency mining and asking the agencies to require mining to report their emission and energy use. Meanwhile, the Paraguay Senate, the upper house of the country's legislature, has passed a comprehensive bill to regulate cryptocurrency and allow miners to use excess electricity generated in the country. The six U.S. lawmakers, led by crypto Signee Elizabeth Warren, note in their July 15 letter that crypto mining in the States has been increasing since it was banned by China last year. The seven crypto mining companies that responded to the legislators' request for information reveal a collective capacity of 1,045 MW of electricity, which is equivalent to all the residencies in Houston, TX, the fourth largest city in the country. The energy use of crypto miners is driving up prices for other consumers, the letter claimed, citing government and academic studies and a press report. It dismissed the responding miners' claim of energy efficiency, saying these and similar promises about clean energy use obscure a simple fact: Bitcoin miners are using huge quantities of electricity that could be used for other aims that come with lower electricity and little information about emissions from crypto mining is available, the letter continued, but our investigation suggests that the overall U.S. crypto mining industry is likely to be problematic for energy and emissions. The authors requested that the EPA and DOE explain their authority to collect information on the crypto mining industry and their plans to do so, citing several beneficial use of the information. This collected data would enable value, valuable public policy activities, including better monitoring of energy use and trends, better evidence basis for policymaking, improved data for national mitigation analysis, better abilities for evaluating technology policies for the sector, and better modeling of national and regional grid loads and transition, among other proposals. The EPA has often been the focus of lawmakers' appeals concerning crypto mining, both opposing it and favoring it. Environmentalists and the crypto industry have also weighed in. On July 14, the Paraguayan Senate passed a bill on cryptocurrency regulations and mining. Although the cryptocurrency industry has faced opposition in Paraguay before and the bill faced intense debate, it gave the industry significant advantages. The country's National Securities and Exchange Commission will create regulatory and supervisory mechanism for the industry, which will be exempt from value-added tax (VAT). In addition, crypto miners will be granted access to access energy at a special electricity pricing rate which cannot exceed 15 above the industrial rate, according to a tweet read by the bill's snap sponsor, Fernando Silva Passetti. Paraguay has abandoned low-cost hydroenergy thanks to the Itaipu Dam power plant on the Paraná River, which Paraguay shares with Brazil. U.S. legislators suspect crypto mining is problematic for energy use and emission, while Paraguay is ready to give the crypto industry, including miners, inactives, Democratic legislators from both houses of the United States Congress have sent a letter to the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) and Energy Department (DOE) to inform them of their findings.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.